Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the digital marketing program delivered by NIDM, National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. Module number 1, Introduction to Marketing and Digital Marketing. I am MS Kumar, Digital Marketing Trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore with 13 years of experience in digital marketing domain. I have worked as visiting faculty for close to 50 plus MBA colleges all over India. Introduction to marketing. The first topic we'll see is definition of marketing. Second one we have is what does marketing do for your business. Third, different marketing strategies. Number fourth, 5 stages of marketing. And number 5, the complete marketing process. In this video, we'll see what is marketing. So let's start. What is marketing? To average business person, marketing equals promotion. The problem with defining the term marketing is that it is a broad domain. It covers nearly every strategic element of business. Marketing is what you say and how you say it when you want to explain how awesome your product is and why people should buy it. Marketing is an ad, marketing is a brochure, marketing is a press release, and more recently, marketing is a Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter account. Marketing is the process of getting potential clients or consumers interested in your products and services. Marketing involves researching, promoting, selling, and distributing your products or services. The purpose of marketing is to generate revenue for a company. Marketing professionals and teams achieve this through the execution of strategic digital activities that drive traffic, qualified leads, and sales in direct collaboration with their sales team. The definition of marketing is the action of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. Today, marketing is something that every company and organization must implement in its growth strategy. Many companies use marketing techniques to achieve their goals without even realizing it. Marketing refers to actions taken by a company to promote themselves and increase sales of their product and service. It is one of the key aspects of business. People often do not know exactly what marketing is, and when asked, they define it as selling or advertising. While these answers are not wrong, they are only a part of marketing. It involves many other things like product distribution, promotion, designing, and creating materials like landing pages and social media content. Marketing is very broad and includes all strategies that help a company or brand or an individual to achieve its objectives. Marketing to many business people is simply selling at larger scale. The reality is that marketing sits at the intersection of business and the customer, the great arbiter of the self-interest of the business and the needs of the buyer. Marketing consists of two words, to market and to get. So marketing is actually about ways of getting or winning the market before your competitor do the same. At a fundamental level, marketing is the process of understanding your customers and building and maintaining relationship with them. Marketing is the key to an organization's success, and regardless of its size. There are several types and subtypes of marketing, digital and offline. You should determine and pursue the ones that work best for you. Marketing and sales team need to have a unified approach. Automation helps them work towards the same goals. Marketing is not about who can talk faster or close better. It is about deep psychological understanding of customer needs. If business is composed of marketing and innovation, and marketing is about deep customer insights, then marketing is the job of every employee. Social media has only made this point painfully clear. Every employee is an extension of the brand. The brand serves to meet the needs of the customer, and business serves to innovate. In order to motivate people to pay for your product or service or to consider your organization superior to your competitors, you need to create meaningful benefits and value for the customer. There is more to it than this, but you get the idea. Marketing is a process that can span years. The brands who win more customers are the ones who put their customers ahead of their desire to sell more stuff. The business that wins becomes known and trusted as the brand that solves customer pain points along their buyer journey. The design of the product or service itself can be a function of marketing. The value that a marketer should seek to create should be equal to or even greater than the cost of the product to the customer. Doing this often and consistently will grow trust in and loyalty towards the brand and create strong brand equity. Great marketers are passionate teachers, giving away their expertise with only the hope that they are helping people. The business benefit is in establishing trust and building an audience of people who believe in you to help them in times of need. Marketing starts by asking consumers who they are, what they want, and what they care about. I would say marketing is having a feel of what people may want and give them more than they expected to get. Thank you.